the benefits of using coconut oil on your hair. Your hair is a sign of youth and beauty, and the way you style your hair reflects your personality. Hair comes in many different lengths, styles, colors, and textures. And whether you have long, wavy, short, straight, frizzy, smooth or shiny hair, you need to take good care of it. 1. Treats hair loss due to extensive use of hair styling tools and products containing harsh chemicals. Hair loss is common. But with regular use of coconut oil, you can keep your hair in good condition and prevent hair loss. In fact, massaging the scalp with coconut oil will increase blood flow to the hair follicles, condition the scalp and enhance the strength of your hair's roots. 2. Repairs damaged hair. Coconut oil is packed full of nutrients that help treat damaged hair. It easily penetrates deep into the hair shafts, in turn making your hair healthy and preventing the protective cuticles on the surface of each hair strand from becoming damaged. 3. Prevents dandruff. Dandruff is an irritating as well as the embarrassing problem that you can easily get rid of using coconut oil. Dandruff can be caused by an overgrowth of fungus or yeast on the scalp, and coconut oil's antifungal properties help eliminate dandruff. The oil also moisturizes the dry scalp and provides relief from itching, one of the common symptoms of dandruff. 4. Kills hair lice. Coconut oil also helps keep your hair and scalp free from lice. The lubricating nature of coconut oil will stop the lice from moving around freely, preventing them from multiplying. The oil will also suffocate the lice and eventually kill them. 5. Strengthens hair. Hair grows when given enough nourishment. Although hair is made of protein, it needs a fair amount of vitamins and other essentials to be strong. 6. Adds shine to hair. To get shiny hair, proper nourishment is important. You can nourish your hair shafts by applying coconut oil to your hair regularly. The oil also helps restore moisture to dry and damaged hair, leaving your hair shiny and healthy. 7. Tames frizzy hair. Frizzy hair is difficult to manage and tame. But with the help of coconut oil, you can easily control your frizzy hair. Yeah.